I'm going to teach you how to resize an existing Canva design and download it. We'll start by opening your design. Head over to canva.com and log in. Once you're in, locate the project you want to work on. Usually you'll find it under your recent designs on the home page or in your projects. Click to open it so you're looking at the full editor. Take a quick moment to confirm you've opened the correct file and page, especially if your design has multiple pages. Now let's use Canva's resize feature. Look at the top toolbar for the resize button. When you click it, you'll see preset sizes for common formats, things like social posts, presentations, and posters, which can save time if you're converting your design for a specific platform. If you have exact requirements, enter custom dimensions using width by height. You can switch units between pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. Pixels are typical for digital use, while inches or millimeters are common for print. If you want to keep your original design untouched, choose copy and resize. This creates a duplicate at the new size so you can safely experiment. If you're confident and just want to transform the file you're in, click resize to change the current design directly. Copy and resize usually opens the resized version in a new tab, which makes comparing the two easy. After resizing, scan through your design to adjust elements. Canva automatically scales most text, images, and shapes, but you may notice spacing shifts, line breaks, or cropping. Nudge text boxes back into place, tweak font sizes for readability, and make sure nothing is cut off at the edges. Recenter key elements using the alignment guides that appear as you drag. If an image looks cropped, click it, and use the crop handles to reveal more, or reposition it so the focal point stays visible. Check backgrounds and shapes to ensure they still cover the canvas cleanly, and adjust margins so everything breathes. If your project has multiple pages, review each page quickly to keep your design consistent across the set. Zooming in and out can help you catch small misalignments. When everything looks right, it's time to download. Click share in the top right corner, then select download. Choose the format that suits your goal. PNG for crisp graphics, JPEG for smaller file sizes, or PDF for documents and print-ready files. Confirm any available settings, then hit download and save the file to your device. That's it, your resized design is ready to use.